So we started probably 17 years ago. Christy rode when she was younger, and I had never really ridden. During the day, on Tuesday nights at the office, we always had a meeting. And I'm like, why don't you go take a riding lesson or something again? She went and then came home and said that we both had a lesson on Thursday. And what I soon found was peace. It's not that I just love horses. They're great, but it's kind of the whole thing around them. It's the caring for them some, but the whole process keeps me fairly grounded and brings me calm. So kind of hanging out in the barn at night, cleaning out the stalls, hearing them munch on hay, having a dog lay down in the corner and take a nap. That was the appealing part. Charlie's a poser. He likes to get his picture taken. Not too bad. So with Dr. Knotts, got to have his fancy old car. It's my fancy wheels. What we want in cosmetic surgery is for the results to look natural, like it's always looked that way, like it's always looked that good. The barn that was here before we got started, it was falling down, it wasn't safe. And there wasn't a way to preserve it. I mean, it would have been nice, but it wasn't very functional. It had been added onto over the years. The electric wasn't good, the flooring wasn't good, the roof was caving in, and so it really couldn't be saved. So we took that down, but when we rebuilt the barn, we built it back in the same spot, and we kept a lot of the character. So if you look at the front of the barn and the way the front doors are and the window above that, and it sticks out a little bit further than the side wings, well, that's the way the old barn used to be as well. But it pays homage to what was here before.